Welcome back to TechInsight Daily. In today's episode, we've got some exciting news in the world of artificial intelligence chips. Samsung's contract chip manufacturing arm has just announced a partnership with a Canadian startup called Tenstorrent. Stay tuned to learn all about this groundbreaking collaboration. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news. So, what's the buzz all about? Well, Tenstorrent is one of the rising stars in the tech world, aiming to challenge NVIDIA's dominance in the AI chip market. They're not only focused on data centers but are also eyeing the automotive industry. Now, let's talk specifics. In this exciting partnership, Tenstorrent is set to leverage Samsung's cutting-edge 4nm manufacturing process to produce their AI chips. These chips are designed as chiplets, meant to work alongside other chiplets in a single package. Although the exact value and quantity of chips in the deal remain undisclosed, it's clear that this collaboration is a significant step towards innovation in AI hardware. What's intriguing is that some of Tenstorrent's chips are built using RISC-V technology, an open-source semiconductor architecture challenging the likes of ARM and x86, which are used by industry giants like Intel and AMD. However, the chip that Samsung will manufacture, named Quasar, takes a different technological path. Jim Keller, the CEO of Tenstorrent, expressed the company's commitment to delivering high-performance computing solutions worldwide. This partnership with Samsung aligns perfectly with their vision. This chip deal comes on the heels of Samsung's strategic investment in Tenstorrent back in August 2023, as part of a massive $100 million capital raise, which also included notable names like Hyundai Motor Company. In conclusion, this collaboration between Samsung and Tenstorrent is a testament to the ever-evolving landscape of AI hardware. It promises groundbreaking advancements and increased competition in the industry. That's a wrap for today's episode. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in to TechInsight Daily, where we bring you the latest tech insights every day. Stay connected, stay informed.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.